Welcome back to Burland's YouTube channel for our second unboxing in the week. This is our Aleddra, from our partners in America, Aleddra Deodorising Lamp, which is designed to fit into a standard pendant fitting, screw fix, or we can supply conversion. And this uses the same titanium dioxide photoactivated catalyst, which provides an oxygen-rich environment that will kill all airborne pathogens. However, different from our Hyperion range, this one is active by having a fan which consistently circulates the air. There is a small filter which contains the titanium dioxide catalyst and a small fan which circulates the air throughout. These can be regenerated by boiling in water once a year or once every 6 months if you wish. There are options here so that we can have the LED light permanently on with a switch on, or using the PIR activation here, the light will turn off but the fan will remain on. So this has a coverage where it'll disinfect 16 square foot and there's nothing stopping you mounting several of them in a room. I use this in my larder at home and it completely eliminates all food smells.